Hi, I'm Dr. Rothstein. I'm going to show you how to achieve OJW ultralight wiring. This is what it looks like, and this is what you can accomplish when it's all done correctly. Maximum movement of your lower jaw in all directions. I'm going to show you first on the plastic model. I will then show you how it's done actually in the mouth. When you do it in the mouth, you'll need a 3 times illuminating mirror. You'll need, in any case, a cuticle scissors to cut the wire, a plastic stick to prop your mouth open to the correct position, a wire twisting instrument, a little piece of wax to tamp the wire into the bracket for the first time, and then a few pieces of ultrafine wire, 5 inches, about 5 inches long, and a lip retract if you have somebody to help you retract your lips so that you can see your brackets clearly. Ready? Let's do it. Here is the wire, and we're going to remove it, and we're going to rewire it. You will need, for this, a cuticle scissor, your twisting instrument, an instrument to help you place, to effectuate a distance between your teeth, a little piece of wax. This is what we're going to create, that little piece of wire from this. Let's do it. First, we're going to remove the wire. It's so simple, it's beyond simple. You just simply cut the wire and then lift it back on off. Then you're going to now place the wire. So you start with a piece that's about 6 inches long. You fold it in half. You bring the ends together. With your twisting instrument, you make a nice tight tail with about 20 turns. And this is the piece. Spread it apart. And in your teeth, you will place the straw at approximately the distance you want your teeth to be wired into. Let's start there. That looks about right. Then, take your piece of wire, put it on bracket number 1, place it into the slot of bracket number 1, tack it in with a little piece of wax. Then, take the bottom part of the wire, put it under bracket number 2, then put it into the slot of number 3. Then take the top part of the wire and just simply bring it around and join under 4. Now, you bring the ends together, you take your twisting instrument, and you start bringing it together. You can take your finger, and this will help you so that you can twist the ends and take up the extra slack. Do you see how that's happening? Then, continue getting it tighter and smaller, but not all the way, almost. You'll need to remove the little piece of wax, and then Then, this is the way it looks. There's the amount of limitation of the envelope of motion of your jaw. And then you take the scissor, you leave a little bit of tail, cut it off, and then tuck the little piece that's left over back under the slot and out of the way so that it doesn't stick you or bother you. Then you remove the stick from between your teeth, and there you are in OJW weight control, ultralight. I'm Dr. Ted Rothstein, the inventor and developer of orthodontic jaw wiring for weight control. I've made a remarkable discovery and I want to share it with you. Namely, that I have removed the wiring on my left side, leaving only the right side wired. Notice, I had discovered that my speech is a bit improved and the envelope of motion of my lower jaw is increased about 25%. And best of all, I have no sensation of being imbalanced. Therefore, OJW Ultralite can be accomplished with one side, and I would not hesitate for others to try the same experiment.